Hello friends. So today we'll discuss how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu. Okay, and this will be like not Ansible by using Ansible role. This will be command by command. Okay. So yes. So now I am in Jenkins.io. Okay. So this is the Jenkins official documents. Okay. So here, if we'll go in Jenkins.io, there will be a couple of OS where you need to choose where you want to install your Jenkins. Okay, so here as I'll be using Ubuntu 22.04. That's why I have selected as divine slash Ubuntu. Okay, now let us go to installation part. Okay, so yes, so as the server is Ubuntu 22, which I have already created in AWS. So this is my Jenkins server, and which is having instance type as t2.medium. So you can test it t2.micro also, but I have chosen for t2.medium because I need to do some other I need to do some other pipeline testing also in a later section. That's why I have chosen as t2.medium. Okay, now let me connect to the server. This is the public IP, but in real time you should not use your public IP. Always remove your public IP so that it is not exposed to internet. Okay, so you should use the private IP. Okay, that's fine. So as this is my test environment, I am using my public IP. So yes, now I am connected with the public IP. This is the servers CLI. Okay, now first, always remember whenever earlier also I have already told you, whenever you will install any packages or anything, when the server is fresh, you need to update. Okay, so as this is Ubuntu 22.04 OS, so I'll use apt package manager. So this will be apt get update. This is the command to update your servers. Okay, so yes, now it will be updating. Okay, fine. Next command is this one, sudo wget hyphen o and all these things. Okay, so what is the use of this command? Okay, so here what is the use? Okay, so here this is looks like we are trying to use wget command with sudo to download the Jenkins gpg key, and we want to save it in this path. What is the path? The path is usr share keyrings Jenkins hyphen keyrings dot asc. That is actually the file name. Okay, so now let us check whether the file is present or not. Okay, control c, then I'll do it sudo ls hyphen l. I'll paste it. It will show there is no file. Okay, because this file is not created. Okay, so if we remove that file, up to this keyrings, it is there. Okay, all other file, it is present inside this directory. But now when we run this command, then this file will create. Okay, next I'll tell you one by one command. Okay, why we are using, so that you will also understand why when you are running the command, don't run the command blindly. You need to understand what command you are entering and what command you are typing. Okay, next. Okay, so yes, so here as I told you, this will create the file. Okay, this key is used for package verification. Okay, and before running this command, make sure we should have the wget tool installed in our system. Okay, if this is not installed, wget is not installed, then we can install. So if you want to check sudo dp sudo dpkg. Okay, it is installed, because when I have run the sudo dpk, then I put the tab, it is coming. Okay, it is already installed, so that is dpkg, we don't need to install. Okay, next thing is, okay, now you understand, right? Next thing is why we are using this sudo. Sudo is used because we want to run this command as super user, that is root user. Okay, and wget command is the command line tool for downloading files from internet. Okay, now this command hyphen o, then this line. Okay, this flag indicates the output file path and the name for the download file. Okay, now I think you got it. Okay, then the URL, this is the URL. Okay, this is the URL from which Jenkins jpg key will be downloaded. Okay, so if you control C, if you copy and if you will paste it here, it will download. Okay, see, it is downloading. Okay, this Jenkins key is downloaded. Okay, so now what is the URL? This URL is from which the Jenkins GPG key will be downloaded. Okay, this is the URL. So now you understand why this command is running. Okay, now let us copy it. Okay, now I have copied. Now I will paste it over here. Control L. Okay, now, okay. Okay, now let us check whether that file is present or not. Okay, and what is the content also we'll check. Now see, the file is presented here. Okay, now let us check the content. Okay, okay, this is the thing we have downloaded and we have stored here in Jenkins keyring.asc. Okay, fine. Next thing is, next we need to run this command. Okay, so what is this command is first used. Okay, now so when we will use the echo command. Okay, this is the command which is used to print the specific text to the terminal. Okay, so when you will write, okay, so for example, if I'll write echo, okay, echo dollar home, then it will show us the path name is sorry, home is slash home slash ubuntu or something, it will show. Okay, see, it is showing the uh, slash home slash ubuntu. That means echo by echo command we can see the text file. Okay, or by echo command we can this will file interactive things. Okay, by this command we can print the specified text things. Okay, because see, I have just write the echo command, it show me the output. That means it is printing the output. Okay, next thing is, if I'll go to here. Okay, this from divine to dev2 up to stable. That is that. Okay, up to stable and binary. Okay, what is this command? This is the text that will be printed. Okay, where it will be printed? It will be printed inside the Jenkins.list file. It will print where it will print. It will print inside the Jenkins.list file by the comma, by the help of T. Okay, so now let me summarize this thing. So this command is why we are using this command. Okay, this is the summary I am telling. Okay, by this command we are appending the Jenkins repository information to the Jenkins.list file. Okay, to the, where we are appending, we are appending to the Jenkins.list file. Okay, which is present in this one. Okay, in this, but the thing is, if we without running this command, let us see if Jenkins.list file is there or not. If I'll go to here, sudo ls. Okay, see, there is nothing. That means this Jenkins.list file is not there. Okay, now let me copy it. Okay, copy, I'll paste it over here. Okay, fine. Now let me check if it is there or not. Now see, Jenkins.list file is there. Let us cat it. Okay, we'll see whether the content is there or not now. Okay, now if I, okay, sorry, I am not given the path, sorry, file name. See, this is the same content which it is there, where in wherever it is there. Oh, we have written this command. Okay, this thing. Now you understood what is the two command we have ran. Okay, now whenever you will update any repository, then we need to update the packages. Okay, sudo apt-get update. Update next. Once that will be updated, then we'll install Jenkins. Okay, so it is updated. Now I'll install Jenkins. Then what is the Jenkins port number? Okay, so Jenkins will be accessible from browser over the port number 20, port number 8080. Okay, but here the problem will be that we cannot access by this command only, because Jenkins need to in Java. Okay, Java is needed to install Jenkins. Okay, so here let me go to custom TCP. If I okay, what port 8080. Okay, as this is my test environment, so I have given from internet. Otherwise, you need to give from your VPN. Okay, now it is failing. Okay, okay, definitely it will fail, because I think we need to install the Java as well. Okay, so let me go to here. Okay, so this is the command to install Java. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Okay, it will install Java, then we'll again install Jenkins. Okay, let us wait. Okay, now our Java is already installed, and Jenkins is also running. Okay, now let me access it from the browser. Okay, I'll copy the public IP, then I'll go to here, I will paste it, and I'll give the port number. Okay, so now it will ask the password. Okay, so what is the admin password? Okay, so administrator password. Okay, so the path is this one. If we go here, so we need to do sudo cat, then the path. Okay, this is the password. Okay, so here you need to paste it. That's it. Now we need to go to continue. Then here we need to give the your whether you want to install the suggested plugin, or you want to select any plugin independently. Okay. Now it will be starting. Okay. It will be starting. So let us wait. After this, it will ask us the password. Okay. Not password. It will ask us to recreate the credential in the mail ID also. Okay. Let us wait. Okay, username. Username. Now I will click on save and continue. Start using Jenkins. Okay. Now let me log out. I'll log in with my credential. which I have provided just now. Okay, now that's it. Okay, so this is the process how to install Jenkins. Okay, by using one by one command. In next class, I'll show you how to install Jenkins by using Ansible role. So I'll try my best so that whenever we will install anything, okay, first we'll try the by the command one by one command. Then we'll try to do by using Ansible role so that you will be familiar with the Ansible. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you, team. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much.